Hello, here I am Romit Gabani from Baby Bazaar, and today I am going to tell you how you can boost your e-commerce sale fast, and it's very easy and very simple. Target your existing customer. Compared to a new customer and compared to who made the purchase from your website, who something like the loyal customer, they are more interested to buy the purchase again and generate a more revenue each time they visit your website. Your site should be trustworthy and secure. Nobody wants to shop your e-commerce site if it is appears scratchy or otherwise untrustworthy. One of the first things you need to do is your site is secure or not. Use a video to demonstrate in the product. One of the top marketing experts across the globe that says that video has the top return investment compared to other marketing technique, and something like here I am doing it right now. Use photos when you include the customer testimonial. Yes, user review and testimonial are the great way to show the proof of the concept. But a message from the nameless and the faceless person is not really that convenient. Add a photo and include a person's full name and a title if you're relevant to your product. Recognize your customer want to shop from their mobile device. An e-commerce website does not mean that you can assume that your customer shopping only from their computer. Not good. The really is that people are use the mobile phone, tablet and shop the online. It's something like research shows that 40% of the mobile user brought something online from their devices. Offer more discount. It may sound very simple, but not the enough companies that are offering the discount to their customer. If you are worried about your profit margin, just use a marketing strategy as the all time as the base price of each product, and then you put it on the sale. Showcase your top selling item. Give your customer some directions. Some of that what the people are buying the most. I like it when the people are include a bestseller category on the homepage. Ramp up the promotions for the holidays. Special events are the time then people are looking for the shop and spend the more money than had a normal day of the year. They want why I always tell the e-commerce site to actively promote holiday sales. Next, FOMO, fear of missing out. You have got to create a sense of the urgency. When you are selling a products on your e-commerce site, this will get the shopper act fast instead of the waiting to complete the purchase at the later date. Accept the different options for the payment. You have to give the people the different options to pay for the product and service on your website. If you only accept the Visa and MasterCard, you are alienating the lots of potential customer. Make sure you have the capability to accept the debit card in addition to credit card. Focus on your value proposition. Tell your customers what the separate your product to similar item on the market. Their value propositions tell you everything you need to know more about the product. It has a deadline to capture then the consumer attention. If you want to know more about how you can increase your sales on your e-commerce website, you can contact us on Baby Bazaar and check out the Baby Bazaar for more information. Thank you.